Good evening sir, my name is A. Sandesh. My register number is UR15CS163. Today I am going to explain about the program to push the elements and pop out the elements and display the elements used in the stack. Hash include IOStream, it is a header file we can use in this program. Using namespace std, it is the number of files used in this program. Here we use hash define max3. We used max3 because we are using the push, pop and display as 3 values. Now we are using int data type, int x comma top equal to -1 and array of maximum. Then int main function, int character. We can use do while loop in this program. Then cout, enter your choice. End line is used for the next line. Then it will ask enter your choice in the output. If we press 1, then it will show as push. If we press 2, then it will show as pop. Then if we press 3, it will display. Then endl is used for the next line. Then cin, it is a character. Then switch character. In this program we are using switch case because to know the different values in this character. Then case 1 push, then case 2 pop, then case 3 display. If you entered more than these 3 values, 3 options, then it will show us you have entered the invalid choice. While character less than or equal to 3, return 0. Then void push. If top equal to max -1, it is a formula for the push. Then if you press more than the three values, then it will show as the stack is overflow. Endl is 0 for the next line. Then else cout, enter the elements. If we press the less than the 3 values, then it will show as it is a value. Then it will show as top plus plus for the formula of the stack. Then void pop. If top equal to -1, it is the formula for pop. If we press less than the 3 values, then it will show as the stack is underflow. If we delete the number in which we can enter in the stack, then it is show as a deleted element. Then top minus minus, it is the formula for pop. Then void display, it is used to display the values we entered. Int I, if top equal to -1, then if we deleted all the elements, then it will show as nothing to display. Then if we delete one element, then it will show as the elements are. Then endl is used for the next line. For I equal to top, I greater than or equal to 0, then I minus minus. Then array of I. Endl is used for the next line. This is the end of the program, and now I am seeing the output. It is asking enter your choice. I am pressing 1. Then enter the elements. I am giving the element as 34. Then enter your choice. And again I am pressing 1. Push. Enter the elements. I am giving 27. Then it is asking enter your choice. Then I am pressing 1. Enter the elements. 56. Then enter your choice. Then I am pressing 1. Stack is overflow. Then it is showing as a stack is overflow. Then I am display. Then press 3. The elements are 56, 27 and 34. Then again it is asking enter your choice. Now I am pop out the values. Then press option 2. Then deleted element is 56, as we enter the element in the first number in stack. Then again it is asking enter your choice. Then I am pressing 2. Then deleted element is 27, as I entered in the stack. Then again it is asking enter your choice. Then I am pressing 2. Then enter your choice, and again I am pressing 2. Enter your choice. Stack is overflow. It is showing as stack is overflow. Then 3. Then it will show as display. Then it is showing as nothing to display. This is the end of the program.